picnic area. Somewhere here, there's supposed to be waterfalls. Well, there's the water. I think that's the trail, I guess. It goes down through there. Waterfall. Ah. It's cool that you can hear the water. Oh, those are pretty. There are a lot of holes here.
Yep. You know what I saw too?
Yeah. Of course, I don't know, are there scorpions? Are there other things? I don't know.
Birds.
There's some of the buglers, a little bit. There's something out there. The green thing that's glowing that's different.
Yep.
I don't know what it is. Yeah, scorpions, lizards, ground squirrels apparently.
Right.
Alright, Canyon View Trail. This is where we're going. Oh, look at that. Black thing that's flying. I don't know what that was. That's got something on it.
Yep, sure enough.
Again, I have no idea what it is.
Yeah. It was very deserty.
If only they had provided a whole big picture of all the plants and what they were, maybe we could identify something. It's cool. It's like listening to the water.
Yeah.
And a little bit of a view.
Yeah, can you tell where the water is? Suddenly.
Yeah. A bunch of moonflowers down here. I guess probably where the water goes.
Oh, yeah.
It's lush and green where the water is, and the rest of everything is dead. Never having been out in California before, never understood what an absolute tinderbox it is. My goodness. It was just all dead grass and animal poop. Animal dung and dead grass. apparently tarantulas. Oh man, something just went in that hole.
Yeah.
It was like a lizard, I think.
Oh, man.
Good Lord. There are so many holes in the ground. I don't know if those are made by lizards. The tarantulas apparently live here somewhere. They're scorpions. They're ground squirrels. You've seen a number of those. Oh, the big beetles.
Must be a shame.
Yeah, right. Yeah, milkweed. Something you can never find at home in Indiana. Never seen milkweed before.
See, these rocks are super sparkly.
Yeah, aren't they? Man, I don't know what it is, but something down here smells different.
Yeah.
I don't know what that smell is. It's citrusy almost. Is it because it's uric acid from them? That must be where it's taking us. Raven's Landing. Now you get to hear old asthmatic Mike wheeze from atop Raven's Landing. Oh wow. Oh, there's a nice breeze up here, Jenny. That bird doesn't care about steep cliffs. Steep cliffs. So, do they disappear into the wilderness down there? Yeah, they do, don't they? So I guess that's where we're gonna go, is down there.
That's cool.
That is cool.
And
Maybe perhaps literally if we get some shade.
absolutely.
I do believe that's where we're going. Look, we have green grass. Brown grass. Green grass. Like you could, it's just cool how you can tell how close you are to the water. How it quickly it changes. Alright, let's go down into the woods. Whatever this is. Ooh. Look, we're tracking things. Look at these small prints down here. Probably a mountain lion, surely not the Chihuahua that family have. Be very quiet. No escalator? What a low-class part. Hey, there is stuff moving in the brush, I'll tell you that. I'm sure it's just lizards. If that doesn't make you have to pee, I don't know what will. Well, pretty little yellow flowers out there. Tree's cool. Really didn't expect to see so many dragonflies. I know it's a dumb, kind of random thing, but I mean, I guess I didn't expect to really see that much water either.
Yeah.
But there's so many dragonflies down here buzzing around.
And not just by the water.
Yeah. I mean, I've been seeing them buzzing around up here over the brown grass. I mean, the lush marsh to our left. Cool.
Wow, it's a dust
Got to see
devil.
a dust devil. It's definitely windy. It's definitely dusty.
Yeah,
Where you going, buddy? Is it just staying in that one spot?
it does seem to be. It's so straight up and down.
It is, isn't it?
That's so cool. Yep, that's it.
Goodbye.
Yeah, that's so
That
cool.
was so cool and unexpected. We were not expecting that.
Enjoy the scenery.